Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to take you through the vendor area. The public was just coming in right now, so they're going to get going pretty quick. So I'm going to go through and we're going to check out some of this stuff. I've already got a few kits bought because I got in early bird pass. So I was already able to buy some cool kits. I'll show you those on a different video. But I'm going to go through now and show you these cool kits that are all on display here. All right, stand by.
Sorry. I had another person come too. It was very popular.
You know these, I've got that kit. I've never seen that one before. Squeeze right in front of you. Love that one. I love these old Ford trucks. So cool. All right, so here's the table for hobbywerks.com. Go check them out. This is Miguel right here. This is the 3D wizard. And go check his stuff out. I've seen him online messing with this stuff forever, and now I get to see it in person. So it's very cool. 426 Hemi, 630. Now are we measuring bore and stroke to get 632?
Yes.
Is that what we're doing? Okay, come on, Miguel. He's got some cool wheels, tires.
These Tremec's are pretty awesome.
Tremec, is it a 5-speed?
It's a 6-speed.
Oh, it's a 6-speed.
6-speed Tremec, and then there's a 3-speed Lenko.
Okay, look at that.
These are pretty popular.
What kind of tire is that based off of?
I don't even know.
I bet that dude makes a lot of noise when it's going down the road.
Yeah, I bet it does.
Cool, cool, cool. And now, what do we have here?
These are subwoofers. I do them in separate pieces so that you can paint all the pieces individually. I do that with a lot of stuff. I have like rally wheels, GM rally wheels, Mopar rally wheels, and I do the beauty ring and the center cap separate so that you can paint them all separately.
And this is a quick change rear end?
Quick change rear end with a 4-link setup. Comes with the calipers and the rotors, 4-link bars, panhard bar.
Wow, I didn't know you did those things.
Yep.
Wow.
And I do all kinds of different intakes over there. I've got Hillborn intakes. I've got
carburetors.
What do they call it? Crossfire injection intakes. I do dual carb, dual air cleaner, single carb, single air cleaner, dual carb, single air cleaner, and I do the top, bottom, and filter are separate pieces so that you can paint them all separately.
Cool.
The filter elements have the little ribs in them. So.
Awesome. Go check out hobbywerks.com. Go check him out. DevilDog.games on YouTube.
Thank you, man.
Thanks, Miguel.
Okay.
So I built that kit. It belongs to Jason Hanscom now. Cool.
Exactly.
1970 edition of that.
That's what my son did. He built a few of them, and then he blew them up. Now I'm looking for a set of truck parts. Okay. Front axle. Okay. So I got that 72 Chevy car. The wheels are just too small.
Okay.
This doesn't look right with a car on it. You got a pickup truck body.
Darn, I have
Monster rotary engine. It's cool.
I don't know if there's when I was up there.
Boy, this one's been repopped a bunch of times.
We're out of shirts. We're like,
Oh man! Well, I didn't make it the last day. I made it Saturday. And I didn't make it.
Look at that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Have a good one, sir.
Here's your metal. Isn't that a Hobbi? Scale models. That looks familiar. I built that kit before. It's on the table right now. You getting you some rest? Are you?
Sleep last night.
Didn't sleep last night. You so excited?
I come here every year. Yeah, this is part of the building process too, you know.
Yeah.
So it always happens. I brought bags and then I forget to take them in with me.
I just toted them out, man. I had them.
I saw you coming out.
I looked like I was toting cordwood out.
I'm waiting for that whole video.
It'll be out for sure.
Yeah, one of them.
Give me 1 second. I'll help you with that. Where was it?
Darn. Real close.
What's that?
What I'm looking for, but
Yeah, I like those strange kits.
Never seen it before. 1976 Chevy Love.
Okay.
Yeah. Just taking it apart, you never know how easy it comes apart.
Yeah, I'm thinking about doing some stripping with these, some of these, like this one. I got a 68, same blue, I think. And I had stripped like 100 of them back. With these kits, and they were all.
Wow, that's cool. Snap. I've seen this one before. What is that? I can't even read that Japanese word there. That's a cool kit. Huge. 1/12 scale. All right, so that was just a brief overview of what's here. It will be gone quick. I can already tell that since people started coming in, the kits are just flying out. But guys, thanks for watching this 2022 ACME Southern Nationals, just through the vendors. There was so much more that I could have shown you. I just don't, there's a lot of people. It kind of inhibits the getting in there and checking them all out. But I do appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you hadn't subscribed, hit that subscription button. Next year, I'd like to see you here. And don't forget, I'll be in Tampa on the 19th at the Southlands Model Show, or it's actually Largo, Florida, but it's close to Tampa. So I'd like to see you there. But we will check all the things linked in my description below, Hobbi Nut Models, Facebook group, and all those things. We'll catch you on the next video. And yeah, see you later, guys. Bye. Him.